Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the physics online lecture on optical fibers. In the previous lecture, we have been discussed the various concepts regarding the optical fiber. Now, we are going to discuss about the optical fiber, applications of optical fiber. We are having several applications. Among the several applications in this today's class, I would like to discuss only the optical fiber communication applications. Anyhow, welcome back to the online lecture 11. In this lecture, I am going to discuss the optical fiber communication system. The most important application of optical fiber is in the field of communication. Generally, optical fibers are used in ideal communication system where high data security, high data transfer capacity, fast operating system and long distance communication is required. There we can use optical fibers. In this optical fibers, we are having several modules. This is a schematic diagram of an optical fiber communication system as shown in the diagram. This system consists of an encoder, a transmitter, an optical fiber, a receiver and a decoder. So, if you observe the encoder, the main purpose of encoder is which converts the original audio or video signal into the electrical signal. That is the function of the encoder. And then coming to the transmitter. Transmitter consists of two modules or two parts. One is drive circuit, another one is light source. The drive circuit which converts the original audio video signal which is converted into the binary form or digital form. That digital form is again converted into electrical signal in the drive circuit. And then these electrical signals are in turn connected to the light source. For the purpose of light source, generally laser diode source is used or semiconductor laser is used, and these signals are converted into optical signals. These optical signals are injected into the optical fiber. The optical fiber carries the optical signals along it, and these signals reach the other end of the fiber. For a long distance communication, number of repeaters are used between the transmitter and the receiver. The repeaters receives the optical signal and transmits to the other end of the signal by means of total internal reflection, which is nothing but the principle of optical fiber. And then coming to the receiver. The receiver consists of a detector and an amplifier. The detector detects the optical signal and which converts the optical signal into corresponding electrical signal. For this purpose, the detector used is either photodiode or positive intrinsic negative diode. So, these electrical signals are received by the amplifier and amplify them. Then, the signal restorer keeps all the electrical signals in the form of signals to the in the form of subsequential form and supplies to the signal decoder. The signal decoder converts the electrical signal into its original audio or video form. This is regarding the optical fiber communication system. This is very most important application of optical fiber. Thank you very much. And this optical fiber communication system easily understand with the help of an animated video. Please watch that animated video also. If you have any doubts or any queries, please feel free to contact me during via my. Very good morning to all of you. With the help of this particular animated video, you can easily understand the importance of this particular digital communication system or optical fiber communication system through this schematic diagram. In this particular optical fiber communication system, here we are having a voice or audio signal and it is converted into analog form, analog signal form, and then this analog signal is nothing but electrical form. This analog electrical signal is injected into the transmitter, where you are having two modules, drive circuit and the light source. This particular analog electrical signal is being converted into digital electrical signal by the drive circuit. Here you can observe the digital form. Here the upper signal indicates 1, the lower signal indicates 0. So digital form is nothing but always zeros and ones, binary form or binary digit form. And then the digital signal from the drive circuit is injected into the light source. For the purpose of light source, generally we will use laser source or LED, and at this particular light source, the audio or video signal which is being transmitted is modified into the optical signal, and then this particular optical signal is being launched into the optical fiber. Here the optical fiber acts as a waveguide. In this particular optical fiber, the optical signal is being propagated in the form of multiple reflections. This is nothing but total internal reflection, as we already discussed in the principle of optical fiber. And the signal which is being transmitted, that is audio or video signal, is converted into electrical form and then converted into digital form and then modified into optical signal, and that particular optical signal is being propagated in the optical fiber by means of total internal reflection, and which is in turn fed to the receiver. Here the receiver also consists of two important things. One is photodiode and the another one is signal restorer. Here the photodiode converts the optical form into digital signal, digital electrical signal. This particular digital electrical signal again fed to the or injected to the signal restorer. Here the signal restorer restores the digital form into the analog electrical form. This particular analog electrical form is being converted into audio signal. Again this particular now you can easily understand the how the signal is communicating. Here the voice signal or the audio signal is being transmitted from the telephone, and it is being converted into analog form, analog electrical form, and it is injected to the drive circuit, where the analog electrical signal is converted into digital form. Here the digital electrical signal is being fed to the or injected to the LED or laser light source. Here the digital electrical signal is being converted in or modified into optical signal. That optical signal is again injected or launched into the optical fiber. There it is being propagated by means of total internal reflection. In this way the optical fiber transmits the launched signal into the other end of the fiber. At the other end we are having receiver. In the receiver you are having photodiode, which converts the optical signal into digital electrical form. Again the digital electrical form is being fed to the signal restorer, which restores the digital form into analog electrical form. Again that analog electrical form is modified into original audio or video signal. This is how the entire optical fiber communication system is happening. Thank you.